Usually automated tests need to go through their own maintenance process, be it for tech debt or reducing tech debt or for other changes. You have to define a very good and comprehensive test automation strategy. One example would be you need to define the right tool that will give you the ability to minimize the maintenance, because maintenance will happen inevitably, right? Because as the application changes, you need to always sync up the tests to the latest behavior of the application. But as part of that maintenance is the tool that I'm using, the framework that I'm using, helping me maintain the automated tests in a very quick way, in a very easy, seamless way. Or would I have to go through a lot of hoops to make sure that that test will continue to work when I need it? So that's one thing, is choosing the right solution for you to automate your tests. And then in terms of minimizing, there are many strategies that you can implement to minimize the maintenance itself, right? So independently of application changes, usually automated tests need to go through their own maintenance process, be it for tech debt or reducing tech debt or for other changes. So understanding what are the needs that that each of your test groups will have to go through as part of that life cycle will help you determine how to best maintain those tests and make sure they're always running, and therefore reducing the effort that you need to spend in maintenance of those tests that are not related to application changes.